Car Story research indicates this vehicle as competitive listing price and a rare model. Features also include premium sound system, leather seats, ventilated seats, panorama sunroof. With these ratings, take a ride in the 2018 Expedition. This vehicle is powered by a rear-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine, and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, turbocharged, blind spot monitor, power retractable running boards, tow hitch, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, power lift gate, brake assist. Inside you'll find backup camera, heated steering wheel, smart device integration, keyless entry, rear AC, HD radio, satellite radio, auxiliary audio input, keyless start, premium sound system. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.